Okay, so I needed to score high scores for the NHS requirements, and I also needed to improve my speaking and listening, and also boost my confidence when speaking and writing. So that was the main reason why that's the problem, and I needed to solve.
Gotcha. Okay. And did you try like any local options?
Yes, the local options, looking at the distance, it wasn't helping, and it wasn't really giving me what I wanted. So that's why I opted for this other motivation
Gotcha.
course.
Okay. All right then. And what were the pain points like of not having a solution regarding your IELTS preparation?
Okay, so as I said earlier, I needed to score high, and because the requirements for NHS, and I needed to boost my confidence speaking, and practicing alone with no feedback. So I couldn't just measure my progress. That's why I opted for this option.
Gotcha. Okay then. And how did you feel like about the exam?
Okay, the exam was I was excited because it's something that I've practiced. I've practiced over and over, and I got new vocabulary, and I was confident. My confidence level was boosted.
Right then. Okay. And did you consider any other options before you went with the IELTS podcast course?
Of course, I tried other options, but it wasn't giving me what I wanted.